Emefa. Remember my designs? The one I told you about? These are my designs.
Wow. Titi, you do amo. There are really some nice things here.
You see, I uploaded 10 of these. And calls have been coming through.
Mommy.
I have 2 confirmed orders already. Can you imagine?
Really? 2 confirmed orders? There are really some good things in here.
Thank you.
You're making smart use of your Facebook page. Okay. Hey! And you took the pictures yourself?
With this tablet. If I'm thinking, I'm planning to start filming myself while I work. I want the world to see how I put my masterpieces together.
What?
I mean, what better way can you market yourself but to have a YouTube channel?
True.
I intend to make it very exciting. I started with online presentation lessons. I'm not playing on.
The world is your oyster, girl. I'm here for you. I'm glad you for you. Bad one. Hey, girl. I'm so happy. And all you need right now is your tablet. So everything will be fine.
That's what I've always been saying.
Styles are really
nowadays
nice.
In this world, when it comes to progress, it's at your fingertips.
It is.
I'm in business, fully plugged in, like the Americans would say. Operating from my single bedroom, everything propped up. You wouldn't even know.
And me as your model, girl, we're gonna get this on.
Are you modeling for me?
Yes, of course.
Are you sure?
I need to wear this.
You should share my stuff now.
Okay, let me start in fact right now. Why didn't I see notification on Facebook?
What are you doing here? You haven't made any of this.
So can't I visit my own mother?
Even in rainy days. Good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be palava, no be wahala. Yeah, bye, solutions, Ramen Kodo.
Mercy.
Hey.
How be things?
Cool. How are you?
Fine. Hey. My sweet Waakye is really booming.
What type of probity?
Meaning?
Oh, she thinks we don't know. She thinks we don't know what she uses.
What are you saying?
Me, I've not said anything, but I've heard a lot of things. Hey, must you dress up with makeup to sell Waakye? Must you? Do you need makeup to sell Waakye? That's what she does to attract her customers. When you look at her, no, bam, you must buy.
So tell me, what is wrong in, looking attractive? What is wrong?
There's nothing wrong with looking attractive, but there's a problem if the makeup is from a mala. You don't know what you've been eating there. You eating gav like that. You don't know what you've been eating. So now,
Listen, no.
Share. I want to. Wait.
Waakye. Now something. Send the video.
Wait, Jesus. Hey, I see the delivery service is really going on.
They say, and just today, order. Stay. Large weapon, stay. They say, a cost size growing since we started.
Good. And the numbers persist. But there's more room for delivery service, Mama Candy.
Yes. Here, right here. Shake. There. See. 3 Waakye. See this one. 6 Waakye to Engineers Africa. See this one. 6 Consultancy Services. See here 4. You say, first, no. Because you say, right, no mom, or moon, paint, and bow, but no crab, more. You see for no, yeah, or down for number no more fresh.
I'm a friend. Be say, hey.
Then it means you don't have to queue for anything.
They say me not time. They different from the brain, and then I don't know what. No cheating. No cheating. Confirm to my brother. That's true.
That's. I'm happy for you.
Wait. Lord of Jesus. Yes, Muja. Watch it for you already. Watch it for you. I'm going to go. Yeah. Yes, we just come in.
Exaggeration. Okay, so.
Me didn't come on a card there. So I ain't try. Me didn't cry. No, for me, I'm going to. Hey. Hey. Jojo. I can see you have more words now.
Despacito. See, levels will change very soon. I'll be acquiring a store soon.
Despacito.
Oh, in Spanish, it means slow.
That's good.
Yeah.
Anyways, let me tell you something. You need to protect yourself. Because this world is a dangerous place full of dark forces in Kwan.
Eh?
Yes. Look, I can take you to a place where they will secure your capital.
Really?
Yes.
How?
Don't worry. When you're ready, just let me know. If not, they'll finish you, finish your works, finish all your money. Only one person will be selling this whole street, are they?
Hey, Mercy, so then you package my dessert for me. Let me go and boss it with Waakye.
No problem.
Eno Mercy, if I follow you, I don't think I would even breathe.
Hey!
Son.
You know the fear.
Oh, wait.
Abrati. When you not to where to qua?
Now, one until bow, so. Mammy. Sister, 2 boy, I didn't. Umbody and Ferrari and accident. And I come. Now, who proved me to get know what Barashna if shall be Jocelyn?
I want to take it. I come in so good. Come.
So, the petal.
And you remember,
yeah, I don't know that thing.
Abadin 9 cities.
Now, pure tobacco campuya.
So good, Mamma 9 cities.
A rasum sanako. Nice in a year.
What a fear will from our baby.
I'll take most of them. I am looking to charge you 40 gun and a bone. Next time you are not becoming so good.
That's already a young man. I'm going
to miss the message out. Summer. Mark and a pan.
And I do Boja.
What's ya? Another honor.
Merade. And I may that means Saka. This can mean to now 2 cities. Many 9 cities. I see. In the Malamia, what Gana Menam. Fuck, and chocolate the road.
Solutions.
Didn't I warn you? That's how it starts. Then before you know now, you'll be paying for necessary things and your money will finish. Make a note here. Can I see the non-J? And that honor. Which your nice city. And Yammy, I'll bet you 40 gun. You're bad luck. If we say, Neko, never fa, it's me, ra. Hey. So he's going to eat this food. Hajay pa. The power I see. Any part 2. Sister not. Your
usual mix.
Oh, thank you, Mama Candy. Thank you.
Now you're there. Jai. No. Oh, I know how valuable your time is. I can never pay you for what you do for me. Oh, Jai, wait a minute.
Mama Candy, have you forgotten my advice to you about not gifting your capital? If you give everyone Waakye who has done you a favor, then very soon there'll be nothing left to sell.
We don't see advice. No. I remember the advice. We say a gift, so naturally investment. We know many free advice and direction all the time. It's an investment.
That's very good.
You're a good teacher. Akwaba.
Thank you. Are you Mama Kande?
Yes, I am Mama Kande. I so be our friend, Mama Sweet.
I see. I hear your Waakye is the sweetest in this area.
If you say so. What is it that white people say? The sweetness
Of the pudding is in the eating.
Shikena. Please come.
Thank you.
Come,
Thank you very much.
Come, what can I get you?
It seems like a long time ago, Mama Kande.
You've really given me a great makeover. People say, we are Angelo Fisher. I say, I'm fat.
Thank you. But you know, it was easy. You are such an open-minded person.
Not good. Not good. That's it.
It's really nice. I'm happy for you, Mama Kande.
Yes, Christo Dinimoja.
Mercy per concert. What is she doing?
Is she alright? Bibi the day, hey, underground woman, chemical lady. They be okay.
Say again. Can you imagine she's telling me she wants to take me somewhere for protection?
She wants to take one to where to protection. Huh? God forbid, I won't buy any food from her again.
Say again, no. Funny thing is, she's saying Mama Sweet uses juju for her Waakye. Can you imagine?
Oh, come for a friend, Uncle Crum.
Waakye they say. Oh, you see juju. Charlie, but she's not far from insanity. And she be a question asylum.
On the main copy. Brother, I'm the main copy.
Eba. Solutions, Eba. Mama Perro, Mama Carente, Mama Balanchante Bunyolia, Mama Balanchante Bunyolia, Mama Balanchante Bunyolia. Now we'll let my show. Half a day, plenty day, I go day. Half a day, even in rainy day. Good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be palava, you no be wahala.
Hello, Mama Sweet. My favorite customer. How are you doing today?
Fine. Allah continues to bless us.
That's great. Mama Sweet, meet my colleague, Jimanuel. Mama Sweet, how are you doing?
Hello, I'm fine.
And how is business?
We are on it.
Nice. My colleague here will be taking personal charge of your account from now on.
Sir.
Yeah. You see, we believe your business has great potential, so we want to give you all the help we can.
Not good day.
Don't mention Mama Sweet. We'll make sure that everything goes on smoothly. So Mama Sweet, we're taking our leave. We'll come back again.
Okay.
To talk business.
You don't have a you actually. Bye.
You know, Hajia is doing so well. You know, she's now selling twice as much as she used to 3 months ago. Meanwhile, she's cut down on so many things, especially on fuel. She's now using gas as opposed to firewood back in the day.
Even that. My dear, your handiwork is showing.
Hajia is such a pleasant person. You know, her customer service skills is just superb. She's open-minded, quick to learn, but which makes it very easy to work with. I intend to groom her for another, let's say 3 months. Then I'll do a full audit.
I can't believe this. Your pilot project is working.
Seriously, Kofi, this is easily replicable. I just changed a few things here and there to her operations, and the results are staggering. Very fulfilling.
Well then, my dear wife, quick question. How do you intend to help others? You know you can help a lot of Waakye sellers and their families with this plan, right?
It's easy. I have Hajia as an example. I'm taking photos, pictures, you name it. I intend to do a presentation in the future. I've sent out the World Bank people on this one.
Oh my God. I don't know how to say it, but I just love the way your mind works. Okay, Mrs. Garner. Oh boy. Honey, this means I have 10 minutes to spend with you.
Okay, not talking. Eat.
Solutions.
Cartoon things, so these Cartoon Network and Tom and Jerry. Are you serious? So I should be proud of you. That you'll be first this time. Sure of that. Very sure. Are you serious? Akumapa, don't run and leave me behind. Akumapa, don't run and leave me. Some of the left. That's unfair. You're wearing trainers. Look at me. I'm wearing high heels.
No, Mom. Always prepared.
Why are you the Boy Scouts now?
Thanks for making us take this shortcut. I really enjoyed it.
Do you call this a walk or a sprint?
Well, walk, sprint, both are all good for our health. And Mom, do you know something?
What?
You need it.
I need it. My friend, watch the way you talk to me. Are you trying to tell me that I've grown fat? Look at me well. Look at me. Even after having you, I've tried. It hasn't been easy.
I mean, you are beautiful. You perfectly made me.
Such a darling you are.
It's done. It was more than that. Like everyone in the room, like they were applauding, like up on their feet, clapping.
Really?
It was like magical. I was like, yes, here we go. And if everything happens like everything is good. Wait, Aquila is still not back from her school, right?
She's still got 20 minutes on her lunch break, so let me see.
Oh, put this. What you fix?
Don't worry, I'll just hold the fort. It's not a big deal.
You're such an angel.
Amen. This is the second time today I've been called an angel.
And do you know why? Because you're doing it good. You're such a blessing.
Hey, Mr. Rapper, where's the corner?
Baby. You know what? The Helpstation beckons, okay?
Yes, sir.
So, I must go.
How's the project with Mr. Mensah coming up?
Very good, actually. So we have a review of the first draft and executive summary today. Looking good so far.
Great. Bon chance.
Wait, I almost forgot. Do we continue it?
Sure.
My man! Wait, what the... Hey, how are you?
I'm fine.
How was school?
Super. Today I led 2 words. Optimism and faith. My teacher, Mr. Mponsa, says we should be optimistic and have faith, and all will be well.
Bam! Your teacher is a wise man. Listen, let me tell you. There's another great man called Colin Powell. Now, he said perpetual optimism is a force multiplier. Don't be confused. It's okay. It's okay. I'll explain to you later. Head into the office?
Yes.
I'll see you later. My man, chop knuckle. There we go. Huh.
Hey, little man.
Hi, Auntie Amma.
What are you up to?
Homework. I'm writing about 5 great Ghanaians.
Really?
I have chosen Yasantua, John Mensah Saba, Kwame Nkrumah, J.B. Dankwa, and Kofi Annan.
Good pick.
It's been difficult though, there's so many of them. There are more. Sergeant Ajete, Kwadri Agri, Justice Jodo Raoul.
I think the 5 you've picked are just splendid. You can read about the others some more.
Okay.
But why did you pick those 5?
Auntie Amma, I believe they touch more lives.
Splendid. I like that. You're a genius.
Genius. What does it mean?
It means so many things like special, extraordinary, exceptional, out of the world, things like that.
Yeah, so, Auntie Amma, does it mean I can be one of these great Ghanaians?
My dear, you can be better than them.
Yeah.
Madam, is everything all right?
Oh, super. We have a great man in the making. Akwele, you've done such a good job. You've sown a good seed. Well done.
We thank God.
I'll leave you.
Solutions,
Are you certain you want to do this?
Everybody plan to run business. Research it there for ICT. Oh yes, it go make your yield plenty, not less. Prosperity, no poverty, plenty property. Yes, working on the land, labor, not laziness. Lend their hands wait, about it no two ways. And if hunger become a toll, who cares? Cause buffer day, plenty day. Buffer day, even in rainy day.